camera. Hi guys, so I'm Toby from Morning Wood and I'm going to show you today how to make panels. Panels. Panel. Panels, basta yun. So, what are panels? Panels are simply two pieces of wood, like so. Not only two, basta pieces of wood that are joined together. By dowels, simple to complex joinery, or simply glue, just glue. Uh, Surprisingly, kahit glue lang yung pangdikit nyo dito. No dowels, no anything, matibay na yun. So, here's a sample of a panel na. So, eto. Ang goal ng panel is just to make one whole wide surface. Pwede, tables, chairs. So, ito, very basic na gagawin, fundamental thing to do in woodworking. So, beginner lang din naman po sa woodworking, and wala rin akong tools for like doing big pieces of wood and then join together. So, I'm gonna show you yung mga house and what's, I don't mga tips and tricks how to join pieces of wood without yung mga very specific tools, mga big machines, the jointer, plane, everything. So, what else? So yeah, so the goal of making a panel is making wide surfaces, right? So, and as you can see, hindi gaano kita yung lines. Yun yung isang goal ng making panels. Hindi mo kita yung lines between the pieces of wood. So, ano pa ba? So, as beginners, walang tools pa. Kasi ako, nagsimula lang din naman ako, lagari lang. And a few clamps, bumili ako ng clamps. Kahit beginner, kailangan mong bumili ng few essential tools to do woodworking. Kasi kung wala ka talagang tools, wala kang magagawa. Okay, so, mostly naman, mga stores, let's say like big hardware stores like Wilcon, Home Depot, they sell, what do you call this? S4S wood, pine wood. So, ang S4S basically is just like, yung four sides niya, malinis na. So, more or less, na-join na to, na-straighten na to, na-plane na to. So, more or less, they will join together. Dito, kita nyo, medyo may linya sa gitna. So, pag ganyan, ilalaro nyo talaga yung mga pieces. So, you can maybe do this. Yan, medyo mas maliit yung linya. Pero, wala tayong tools to make it, may mga tools talaga, and like sa table saw, sa joiner, anything, para maging seamless ito. Yung parang pag dinikit mo, parang mag-isang kahoy na lang. Pero since wala tayong tools na ganun, we have to live with it. Ganun talaga. So, this is the best we can, I think. Kung meron kayong ideas na para kahit yung very minimal tools na para maging seamless to, please comment down below. So, ayun na nga. So, I'll stop talking and let's go to the shop para pakita sa'yo kung paano gumawa ng panels. Whoosh. Wait, let's go to the shop. Okay, anyway, let's go to the shop. So, ito na yung mga cut up pieces natin. So, tip ko lang sa pag magka-cut kayo, lagi nyong ika-cut a little bit oversized. So, final size nitong panel ay dapat 16 and 1/4 inches. Pero, kinat ko to ng 16 and a half. Check na. 16 and a half. Ayan. Focus. Anyway, basta 16 and a half yan. Try ko nga i-focus. Focus. Yeah, 16 and a half. Tapos, after gluing up and sanding and everything, ika-cut the size na natin. So, yun yung purpose ng oversized na cut. So, at this stage, i-glue up na natin. Pero before that, i-arrange muna natin siya kung ano yung best way. Tama ba term ko? Basta best way na yung seams ba niya ay seamless. So as you can see, ngayon, hindi ko lang kita sa camera. Kita nyo yung medyo linya. Wait. Ayan, no? May gaps kahit anong ko. May gaps. So, hindi yan madadaan sa clamps. Hindi siya yung if you clamp strong enough, ay mawawala yung caps. No. That doesn't work that way. So, yung gagawin natin, i-arrange natin kung ano yung what fits best. So, let's see here. Ito medyo okay. Pero dito may gap pa. So, let's try this side. Okay din dito. Check natin. Mas gusto ko to. Dito. Ito baka pwede natin ibaliktad. Dito lagay. Pareho. So, i-play around nyo lang. Baka sa taas mo ito siya. Ito. Okay, so we got it. Okay na. Yep. Ito maganda. So, kita nyo, compared sa kanina, hindi ko alam kung compare nyo. Pero compared sa kanina, medyo, lol. Ayan. Yan. In a way, medyo seamless siya. A little bit. Pero, this is the best we can do. Kasi wala rin tayong tools para maayos yan. So, it is what it is. So, ngayon, na we figured that out kung anong arrangement gagawin natin, i-glue up na natin siya. So, yeah, i-glue up na natin siya. So, ayan, nakaset up na yung mga clamps natin. So, sa pag-glue up, put this right side up. So, ito, right side up, kung saan yung i-glue nyo. Laging yung ino-note, always remember na you're only going to glue one side. Kung ito i-glue nyo, ito lang i-glue nyo, hindi ito. So, bale, glued, not glued. More glue doesn't mean better results. So, yeah, tatanggalin nyo lang din yung sobrang glue, sayang. So, ito hindi natin to i-glue dahil ito naka-glue na. And sa pag-glue, hindi siya yung sobrang dami. Yung tama na ito. Ganito. So, I use a chopstick to get my glue, walang dispenser. So, ayan. Just enough glue para matakpan. Kasi dapat lang kung makita ang bare kahoy. Konti. Yung hanap nyo rin sa pag-clamp, dapat medyo may konting apaw. Aapaw siya dapat ng konti. Ayan. So, ayan. So, kung kita nyo, parang puting-puti na siya. Wala na siyang medyo kita yung wood. So, ayan. Yan yung more or less just the right amount. So, kita ba? Not good. ito. Pwede nyo lang kunin to para ibalik. Kung ito yung sasabi ko. Kung kita nyo dito, medyo visible pa yung kahoy. So, tatakpan pa natin ng glue. Yan. Yan. Okay. Sarado nyo din kagad yung glue nyo. Okay. So, ito. So, ito yung glued side. There. And there. So, ito kita natin, hindi to glued. Ito ay glued. Yun yung medyo, let's say, basic rule. I don't know. So, yeah. And then, sa clamp, saktong pressure lang. Hindi yung yung sobra yung pressure. And then, wait. Mapapansin nyo, pag na-clamp nyo, mag-slide ng konti. Ito yung mag-slide ng play around nyo lang siya. Ito yung medyo chore. Kita nyo yung gumalaw naman, so lalaro nyo na. Dahan-dahan lang sa pag-type. So yung next, kita nyo medyo umaangat. So, kukuha tayo ng extra pieces of wood like ganito. 2x3 to na sobra. I-clamp ko dito sa gilid. Then, I get my clamps. Ayan. So, here, these are called cauls. C-A-U-L-S. Para siya ma-flatten lang yung ma-flatten yung panel nyo. Hindi siya gaganon. Ang tendency kasi pag press mo, gaganon siya. Pag tinaklamp mo ng sobrang lakas, gaganon siya. And then, once na glue up na yun, tumigas na yung glue, magiging ganyan na at what do you call this? Aalog yung final piece mo. So, ayaw natin yan. So, ang solution dyan, in a way, hindi siya 100% pero better. Kukuha kayo ng ganitong clamp or any clamp. Clamp siya. End to end. Lusan na natin saglit. And that. So, ang medyo gauge niyo kung sakto yung clamp niyo, just like wrist fit. Ayan lang, ganyan lang. Hindi niyo itutodo. Sakto lang yan. Okay, so, ayusin mo natin ito ulit. So, medyo hindi naman na siya umangat. I guess okay na yan. papakiramdaman nyo lang naman kung malaki ang angat niya. Hindi naman. Okay, so okay na pala yun. So if ever, ang gagawin nyo lang, yan. And then clamp nyo end to end. Like so. So ito na yung clamp piece natin. So I added another clamp dahil may extra ko. So linagay ko na lang din. So ito yung cauls. So from end to end, yung clamps niya, and a big piece of wood in the middle, like 2x3 tayo. So it's thick, so sakto siya for the job. And then to check for straightness, kuha lang kayong, well, I'm using my combination square. Pwede kayong gumamit ng ruler or any straight edge, like so. So kita natin, medyo pangit lighting ko, yes. So kita natin flat siya. Flat siya. So to like confirm this, ito naman triangle ko. So yep, flat siya. Sorry. Yeah. Flat siya. Okay. So curing ng glue. Sorry, my charger. Curing ng glue, i-cure ko to for like a day, like overnight. Pero pwede na siya like in an hour or two. Matigas na siya, you can work with it na. Pero for like, para maging sure tayong lahat na solid talaga pagka dry overnight. So yep, so see you tomorrow. So here we are, the glue has dried up. If there is any excess glue on the surface of your panel, now is the time to remove it with a chisel, knife, or paint scraper. So yeah, kung wala namang excess glue sa taas, we can proceed to sanding na. So lagyan natin ito. Yeah. So kita natin is flat. So tatanggalin naman natin ito, may excess glue ng onte. Tanggalin ko yan. Sakto lang to. Kaya to ng paint scraper. So yun lang. Sa sanding naman, I'm gonna use 80 grit. Wait, focus. 80 grit, 150 grit, and then 180 grit. So sa sanding, ang tip ko lang dyan is to sand along the grain. Sand with the grain, not across, not against. Always susundan nyo yung grain, yung haspe ng panel nyo. So let's get to sanding. So ito na ang finished sanded na panel natin. Sorry, hiningal ako. So bale, ayan na, sanded na siya, sanded down, smooth na siya. We ended at 180, started at 80 grit, ended at 180 grit sandpaper. So ayan na siya. Ready na to for whatever project you're going to do. Lamesa, upuan, bangkito, shelf, kung anong project nyong nagagamit kayo ng panel. So, I'm ready na din to for staining, for finishing, top coat, etc. I'll make another video on that naman. So, ayun, I hope you learned something. I hope na pagpatuloy nyo ang woodworking and magpursige kahit beginner lang. So, yep, keep safe in the shop and See you in the next one.